Okay, we're making a horse. You're going to leave about 5.5, 6 inches uninflated. Starts off exactly like the giraffe, where you make 2 bubbles, take the nozzle, hold it down, twist these 2 bubbles together, bring the nozzle up, over, down, and back around to the top again to let go. So you make the lips. You're going to do about a 2-inch bubble for the head, followed by 2 bubbles that are probably 3/4 inch apiece. Twist those together. These are going to be for the horse's ears. You're going to follow that with a series of bubbles. You're going to make 6 bubbles. I usually make them about 3/4 inches apiece, and you got to hold the beginning and the end and it won't come untwisted. Once you get 6 bubbles, you're going to fold these bubbles under the head, so you're making a ring under these 2, and twist them together. Bring the rest of the balloon out behind the head, and then you're going to make a bubble that is the same size as these 3 together. So however big those are is how big you're going to make the neck of the horse. And just like the bird, you're going to roll this through, but you're going to have 3 of these on each side, so that they form part of the mane. And pull these bubbles back so that everything's sitting nice and good. You're going to make the legs on the horse the same way you would do a dog. Body, legs, and the tail, just like you would for a dog. Then I give this tail a little curl. And these, what you want to do with these ideally is braid them. So I'm going to bring this one over, this one under, and then push this one back. Ideally, switch them and then put this back in place. And roll this up so it locks it all in place. And then you got to straighten out your horse because it'll be crooked. That's better for the horse's mane. If this doesn't stay, what I do is I hold the top 2 and bring 2 over, 2 under, which will tighten up the mane a little bit better than it was.